In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your shop name on the Etsy app. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few simple steps. Whether you're looking to update your brand or found a name that better represents your shop, I'm here to guide you through it all, easing any concerns you may have along the way. First things first, make sure you have the Etsy app installed on your phone. Once it's ready, go ahead and launch the app. If you haven't already, you'll need to log in with your credentials. After you've successfully logged in, the real fun begins. Now, direct your attention to the bottom right-hand corner of your screen and tap on the U icon. This will open up a menu with several options. What we want to do is select Shop Manager. This is essentially your command center for managing everything related to your shop. Once you're inside the shop manager, you'll need to locate the settings. Depending on your device, you might find a small gear icon labeled settings, or you might need to tap on an option that says edit shop. Whichever the case, you're aiming for the place where you can edit shop details. In this section, scroll until you find the option that says shop name. This is what we'll be working with today. Go ahead and tap on Shop Name to open the editor where you'll make your changes. Now it's time to get creative. You'll want to enter your desired new shop name. A quick tip, remember that Etsy has specific guidelines for shop names. They must be between 4 and 20 characters long, which means you have a nice little space to express yourself, but not so much that it gets unwieldy. It's also important to note that you can't use any spaces or special characters, so enforce your creativity within these boundaries. After you've typed in the new name, you'll need to check if it's available. Etsy shop names are unique, so if someone else is already using the name you've chosen, you'll have to go back to the drawing board and think of another option. If your first choice is unavailable, don't worry. Take some time to brainstorm and try variations until you find one that resonates and is up for grabs. Once you've settled on a new name that meets all Etsy's criteria and is available, you're all set to make this change official. Simply tap Save or Done to update your shop name. And there you have it. You've successfully renamed your Etsy shop. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Changing your shop name shouldn't be a chore, and my aim was to make it as seamless as possible. Thanks for joining me today, and happy selling on Etsy!